Good morning, children. Welcome back to our math session. Today we are solving exercise 3.4 of chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals. So, let we start. So, exercise 3.4 first question. State whether true or false. The first statement is all rectangles are squares. It is false because if a rectangle is having all four sides are equal, then only it will become a square, isn't it? So then how to write? False. All squares are rectangle, but all rectangles are not squares. Clear? Now second statement. All rhombuses are parallelogram. Yes, correct. Isn't it? Because in rhombuses, opposite angles are equal and parallel. So that is why it's a parallelogram. Now see, all squares are rhombus and also rectangle. That is also correct because it's opposite. Both rhombus and rectangle is having opposite sides are equal and parallel. All squares are not parallelogram. It's a false. Squares are parallelogram because its opposite sides are equal and opposite sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. Hence, squares with all sides equal are parallelogram. So, that is why it is false. Now, next statement, all kites are rhombuses. False, because all kites do not have equal sides. Rhombuses are having all sides are equal, but kites only two sides are equal. All rhombuses are kites. Yes, right, true, because all rhombuses have equal sides and diagonals bisect each other. So that is why all rhombuses are kites. All parallelograms are trapezium. True, because trapezium has only two parallel sides. So that is why it is parallel. All squares are trapezium. Yes, true. All squares have also two parallel lines. So that is why it is a trapezium. Clear? Now we can see second question. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have four sides of equal length. Means there all four sides are equal in length. What is the answer? The quadrilateral is having square and rhombus have all four sides are equal. So what is the name of the quadrilateral? Rhombus and square. Okay. Now second one, four right angles. Name the quadrilateral that have four right angles. What are that? Square and rectangle. So square and rectangle have four right angles. Clear? Now third question. Explain how a square is a quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral because it is made up of four line segments. Isn't it? So the answer is square is a quadrilateral because it is closed with four line segments. That is why it is a quadrilateral. Now second, how a square is a parallelogram. A square is a parallelogram because its opposite sides are equal and parallel and opposite angles are also equal. So that is why a square is a parallelogram. Now how a square is a rhombus. Rhombus also we know that all four sides are equal, isn't it? So a square is a rhombus because its all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Now how a square is a rectangle? A square is a rectangle because its opposite sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other. So that is why it's a rectangle. Now question number 4. Name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other. The name of the quadrilateral that are parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus. These all quadrilaters are their diagonals bisecting each other. Isn't it? So now second one. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. First one it is bisecting each other, but the second question it is the diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. So what is the answer? Square and rhombus. They are perpendicular bisector means they are forming in between as a right angle. Isn't it? Now are equal, whose diagonals are equal. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal. That is rectangle and square are having equal diagonals. They are bisecting each other and their diagonals also equal. Clear? So here we are completing this chapter. So you have to note down all the questions in your notebook. Wherever draw is required, you have to draw it and maintain your notebook neat and clean. Okay. The chapter test we will conduct after the pre-midterm exam. Okay. Now you have to revise the chapters. You know that what are the lessons are coming in pre-midterm. The lessons are 1, 2, 6 and 7. Okay. So that is the syllabus, and go through thoroughly the lessons and do the example. Okay. So thank you.